Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, doing well at home. Be safe, be at home. Welcome to Evershine Coaching Center. Myself, Shah Faisal sir here. Dear students, today I am coming with the very important concept, that is the current situation. As you all knows it, due to this pandemic situation, COVID-19, most of the schools are not running. I'm right? You are missing out your classes. Regular classes has been stopped. Regular coaching has been stopped. I'm right? Yes. That is the reason the Karnataka government, that is government of Karnataka State Board, has decided to reduce the contents. अभी जो माहौल चल रहा है इसकी वजह से जो हमारे रेगुलर, जैसा हम जून से कंसिडर करेंगे, एज वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द क्लासेस फ्रॉम जून, it comes to around 180 periods. Our regular classes will be done with 180 periods. But right now we have changed to 120 teaching periods. This 180 has been reduced to 120. Okay. Now by assuming that our classes will start from September 1st, by assuming that the government of Karnataka, that is Karnataka State Board, has made a plan for your subject science. Okay. Now we are discussing from class 6 to class 10th. So what are the portions is been reduced? Okay. ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಇಂದ 180 ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ನಡೆಯೋದು ಈಗ 120 ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ 120 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 60 ಡೇಸ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ನಡೀಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಡೀಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ ಡಿಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಇಂದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. The topics which is been deleted or excluded, from those topics you won't get any questions for your final board exam, for your final exam. Is this clear? Very good. Now let's begin. We are discussing for English medium students. As you all can see here, you can see these points. What is the reason it's been reduced? Okay, some topics has been skipped. By considering these topics already you are prepared in your final in your last year exam, and some chapters anyhow we are going to study for the next year exams also. For your next year, in your next year you are going to study it. Okay, but this has been done by the guidance and support of a team of members, all resource persons, and these are the coordinators, and this is not for the teachers. Anyhow, it's not useful for you. The teachers will carry out these things. And some chapters which has been deleted, those chapters will be given you as for the home assignment for your project work or else an activity. Do not worry. Now let me see in detail how the portion is been reduced. So children, you can just try to keep your textbook aside. If you have not bought your textbook, so please go to your school, purchase the textbook, buy the textbook, and you can take one pen and you can, or pencil, better you can use pencil in textbook, don't use pen. Okay, I recommend always use pencil in your textbook, not pen. Okay, fine. So we are starting for class 6th academic year. We are this plan is been made as assuming for 1st September 2020 your schools are going to begin till March 31st 2021. That is 120 periods. First chapter, we can see here the first chapter, food. Where does it come from? Actually available periods from June. In case if this from your school is going to start from the month of June, it has to get, you need to get around 9 periods. But no problem, now also you are going to get 9 periods only. And here this is a column where we are discussing learning points to be skipped and justification. They are giving the justification also, what is the reason they have skipped the topics. Okay, anyways, now we can see this chapter number 2, components of food. Okay, in this they have reduced concept 2.4 in your textbook. Just you can open concept number 2.4, chapter number 2. They have reduced this and they have given the details related to that below. It will be studied in chapter 13, why do we fall ill, of class 9th. Okay, anyhow, this chapter again you are going to study in class 9th, it seems. That is the reason now they have reduced this. Means there you are going to study still more in detail. Here you have got a basic platform, but here you will be getting still more maximum information. Anyhow, you are going to study there. That is the reason the topic has been skipped. Okay, next, chapter number 3, fiber to fabric. Fiber to fabric activities. You can see activities 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will be given for you as an home assignment with the guidance to carrying out using available resources. In this chapter, activities 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From these activities, you will be not getting any questions, but this will be given for you for the home assignments. It has been reduced. Okay, next, chapter number 4, sorting materials into groups. That is activities 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is given for you for the home assignment. Okay, only these topics, these activities, not everything, only these activities 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is given for you for the home assignment. Just you can concentrate on this area, and justification you no need to see. Okay, your teachers will suggest you what is the reason, all those things, but you can just skip activities 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As per your teacher guidance, you can just do those activities, and rest of the topics you can study in detail. Okay, next, chapter number 5. Chapter number 5, separation of substances. In this separation of substances, children, concepts along with related activities, sedimentation, decantation and filtration. Are you getting, children? So this concept related, this topics is been excluded. ये जो topics हैं, इदेन topics ಇದೆ, sedimentation, decantation, filtration, ಆ topics ಮೇಲೆ questions ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಆ topics exclude ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ evaporation, next, evaporation, use of more than one method of separation. Okay, these topics is been reduced. Rest of the complete chapter is there. Just you can leave sedimentation topic, decantation, filtration, evaporation, use of more than one method of separation. These topics you can reduce it and you can study the rest of the contents. Just open the textbooks where sedimentation comes, just you put wrong mark, a small wrong mark, then easily you will understand. Now you have to read your textbook. Understood? Next, chapter number 6. You can see here in chapter number 6, changes around us. In this concept will be studied in chapter 1, right? That is justification of the before. You can see here, from here, activities 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see this will be given for you for the home assignment. From these activities, no questions will be asked. Next, chapter number 7, getting to know plants. That is concept 7.5. You can open the chapter. You can see concept number 7.5 and related topics is been excluded. So concept 7.5 you see till concept 7.5, the complete concept is been reduced. Okay, next, chapter number 8, activities 7 and 8. This will be suggested for you for the home assignment. Again, from this activity 7 and 8 also you will be not getting any questions. Next, chapter number 9, concept 9.3 and 9.4. These two concepts is been reduced. Concept number 9.3 and 9.4. You can exclude the topic. Next, chapter number 10. Concept number 10.7 and 10.8. Concept number 10.7 and 10.8 is been reduced. Okay. For your knowledge purpose, you can study everything, children. But for the examination point of view, from that topics, the questions will be not asked. That's it. Next, chapter number 11. Concept number 11.4. Concept number 11.4 is been reduced. Next, chapter number 12, electricity and circuits. In this chapter, you can see the activities related to concept number 12.4 and 12.5. This concept related, you will be getting the home assignment, okay, but questions will be not asked. It is just for your homework, okay. Next, chapter number 13, fun and magnets. Activities 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This has been excluded. Next, chapter number 14, water. In this you can see activity 1 is there, right? From in this chapter, this is given for the home assignment. Understood? Activity 1, it is given for the home assignment. That's nothing but concept number 14.2 and 14.3 you can see. So activity 1 is been reduced. Next, air around us, garbage in and garbage out. No changes. You have to study full chapter. So this is related to class 6th. Now coming back to class 7th. In class 7th you can see children's first chapter, nutrition in plants. Here concept number 1.2 and 1.3. 1.2 and 1.3. This has been reduced. These are the topics will be skipped. You won't get any questions for the exam from this topic. Next, chapter number 2, nutrition in animals. That is concept number 2.2, 2.3 and 2.4. Okay, you can skip these topics for your exam preparation. Next, fiber to fabric. Activity 3.2, 3.3, 3.6 and 3.7. You can exclude that topic. Okay. Next, chapter number 4, heat. Activities 4.3, 4.4 and 4.5. Okay, you can skip that skip those activities. Understood? That's nothing but it comes in that area itself. You can see concept number 4.5 that will be given for home assignment for self learning. But anyhow, the questions will not be asked from these activities. That is 4.3, 4.4 and 4.5. Next, chapter number 5, acid, bases and salts. This entire chapter is skipped. This complete chapter is skipped. Understood, children? Why? Because again you will be studying this chapter in your class 10th. It comes chapter number 2, acid, bases and salts. There you are going to study still more, okay, information in detail regarding this chapter. So this complete chapter has been cancelled. Is this clear? Next, chapter number 6, we can see here physical and chemical changes. In that you can see activity number 6.1, 6.2, 6.3, 6.4 and 6.8. These activities you can reduce and rest of the topics you can study. Next, chapter number 7, weather, climate and adaptation of animals to climate. In this activity 7.1, 7.2 and figure number 7.3. Activity 7.1 and 7.2 and figure number 7.3 you can skip for your exam. And then you can see here chapter number 8, winds, storms and cyclones. In that activity 8.1, 8.2, 8.3, 8.4, 8.5 and 8.6. This has been reduced. You no need to study those activities for your exam. For your knowledge purpose you can study, but for exam the questions will not be asked. Right? Good. Next, chapter number 9, soil. Concept number 9.5, 9.6 and 9.7. Okay, this has been reduced. And then chapter number 10, respiration in organisms. In this chapter concept number 10.5, 10.6 and 10.7 is been reduced. Okay, and next chapter number 11, concept number 11.2 and 11.3 is been reduced. Chapter number 12, concept number 12.2, 12.3 and 12.4 is been reduced. Chapter number 13, along with 13.2, along with means including 13.2, 13.3 activities is been reduced. And that too numerical, you can see table number 13.4 is there in that chapter. Okay, and 13.5. 13.4, table number 13.4 and 13.5. This table, from this table some problems will be asked. Numericals means problems will be asked, even that has been cancelled. and even 13.2 and 13.3, these two activities is been cancelled, and table number 13.4 is been cancelled, and again you can see 13.5 is also cancelled. Then chapter number 14, electric current and its effects, no changes. You have to study this chapter fully, completely. And then the chapter number 15, light. In this chapter, concept number 15.4, 15.5 and 15.6 is been reduced. Next, chapter number 16, activities 16.1, 16.2, 16.3 is been reduced. Right? And similarly, you can see chapter number 17, forest. You have to study this chapter completely. And chapter number 18, that is wastewater story. This chapter completely you want to study. Is this clear? And now we come back to class 8th. In class 8th, you can see the first chapter, crop production and management. You have to study this chapter fully. Next, microorganisms, friends and foe. You have to study this chapter fully. Next, synthetic fibers and plastics. That is nothing but concept number 3.6. Just open concept number 3.6. You can skip that chapter. I mean, you can skip that topic and you can study the rest of the topics. And next, chapter number 4, materials. That is metals and non-metals. This entire chapter is skipped. This entire chapter is skipped. Means you will be not getting any questions from the skipped chapter. Okay? You can delete this chapter. Next, chapter number 5, coal and petroleum. In this you can see concept number 5.1 and 5.2. This already you have studied right in your class 5. That is the reason they have skipped. So concept number 5.1 and 5.2 you can reduce it. Means reduce means from this area the questions will be not asked for your final exam. Understood? Next, chapter number 6, conservation of plants and animals. You have to study this chapter fully. Okay. Next, chapter number 7, force and pressure. In this you can see there is a table which is known as 7.1. Table 7.1. From this table you won't get any questions. And then activities 7.1 to 7.10. It means 7.6 to 7.10. 7.6, 7.7, 7.8, 7.9 and 7.10. From these all activities you won't get any questions for your final exam. Okay, that is chapter number 7, force and pressure. And next, chapter number 8, friction. From this chapter, activities 8.1 and 8.4. From this activities you won't get any questions, but your teachers can give you the home assignment from these topics. But for exam, the questions will not be asked. Then chapter number 9, sound. In this chapter, activities 9.1, 9.2, 9.3, 9.4, 9.5 and 9.6. From these activities, you won't get any questions, or the topics which is related to these activities also, you won't get any questions from these activities. Next, chapter number 10, combustion and flame. In this chapter, you can see activity 10.1, 10.2. From this, they won't ask any questions, because even that is concept number 10.1 and 10.4 also you can see from this activity area. Okay, this is already covered in your previous class. That is the reason. Next, chapter number 11, cell structure and function. This entire chapter is skipped. This entire chapter is skipped. You are not going to study this chapter for this year. Then chapter number 12, respiration in animals. In this you can see concept number 12.2. Okay, you can just skip that topic for your exam preparation. Next, chapter number 13, reaching the age of adolescence. In this chapter, concept number 13.9, you can reduce that concept. Okay, you no need to study this 13.9. Rest of the things you can study. Next, chapter number 14, chemical effects of electric current. From this, you can see activity 14.1, 14.2 and 14.3. From this area, you won't get any questions. Okay. Then, chapter number 15, activities from 15.1 to 15.5. 15.1 to 15.5 you won't get any questions, you can skip these activities. Next, chapter number 16, light. There is a concept 16.2, 16.7 and 16.8. You can reduce these concepts. Next, chapter number 17, stars and the solar system. In this, activity 17.6 to 17.8 means 17.6, 17.7, 17.8. You can skip this. Next, chapter number 18, pollution of air and water. You can skip concept number 18.8 and 18.9. You can skip these concepts and you can study the rest of the chapter. So this is the end of class 8. Now coming back to class 9, science. See children, in class 9 science, the first chapter, matter in our surroundings. This entire chapter you have already studied, right? Matter in our surroundings. This entire chapter is already studied in 8th, states of matter, and even in 7th standard unit 6, properties of solids, liquids and gases, and in class 6, separation of substances, in class 5th, nature of matter. Already you have skipped, means you have studied this chapter. So most probably it's been not given here as skipped. Most probably this chapter is been skipped, most probably, because this chapter is already studied. They are already given here as this chapter is already studied. We have already studied this chapter. That is the reason most probably this chapter is not there. But here they have to mention as chapter is deleted, but they have not given that point. So most probably this chapter has been deleted because already we have covered this chapter in our previous classes. Okay, done. Next, come back to chapter number 2. Again, you people can, what you can do is you can just consult your teacher regarding this chapter. Anyhow, they will give you the better reason behind this chapter, but not now. Once if your school starts, they will give you the comment regarding this. Don't worry. Please don't call now itself and ask your teacher. Understood? Once let school get starts, then you will get the information. But now you can just remember these points. Next, chapter number 2 is matter around us pure. In this activity 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.7, you can skip these activities, and even subtopics 2.1, 2.1.1, 2.2, 2.2.2, 2.2.3. Even you can skip these subtopics also. Okay, and then chapter number 3, atoms and molecules, concept number 3.2, 3.2.2, 3.2.3, 3.3, 3.3.1, 3.3.2, 3.5.1, 3.5.2. This concept has been deleted. It's been reduced. Reduced means deleted or reduced is nothing but you won't get any questions from this area for your final exam, and rest of the topics you have to study for your final exam preparation. Okay. Next, structure of the atom. They have skipped 4.1. They have skipped the topic 4.1, charged particles in the matter, and next 4.2, 4.2.1, 4.2.2. Okay, they have skipped the topics 4.1, 4.2, 4.2.1, 4.2.2. And next, chapter number 5, the fundamental unit of life. This entire chapter is skipped. Actually, this line they have to give in the first chapter, but they have not given. Why reason they have given? It was already studied in chapter 5. You can see here, it is given, right? It is already studied. Yeah, that is the reason. This entire chapter is skipped. No need to study this chapter. Chapter number 6, tissues. You have to study this chapter fully. Chapter number 7, diversity in living organisms. You have to study this chapter fully. Chapter number 8, motion. See children, in this chapter what they have mentioned here, they are numerical with same concepts and concepts on graphical representation, that is 8.4 and 8.5. Numerical means problems or graph related to this 8.4 and 8.5 is been skipped. You no need to study. You no need to study that 8.4 and 8.5 and related contents related to 8.4 and 8.5. You won't get any questions. Next, chapter number 9, force and laws of motion. as you can see here, as the students have already learned these concepts, that is force and laws of motion related in class 8, so here recapitulation can be done, so no need to skip any subtopics. So that is the reason what they are giving here. Actually you want to study this chapter, it seems. Here recapitulation can be done, means some extra information they are giving, something you have learned related to that, so no need to skip any subtopics. So you want to study this chapter, okay, you want to study this chapter. And next, chapter number 10, gravitation. In this chapter, activities 10.1 and 10.2, 10.3 you can skip. Chapter number 11, work and energy, activities 11.5 and 11.7, and some numerical problems based on the same idea can be skipped. Some problems related to this idea you can skip. Chapter number 12, sound. In this activity 12.3, and get the means you can skip this activity 12.3, but you have to do and activity 12.5 also is been skipped, but they are suggesting for the teachers you can give some assignment for the students from the activity 12.5, but anyhow it's your teachers, they are going to do it, no problem, but you can skip this 12.5, 12.3 and 12.5 for your exam. Numerical problem based on the same idea can be skipped, even problems also you can skip related to these two activities. And next, chapter number 13, why do we fall ill? In this concept number 13.3.2, 13.3.3, these were already studied, right, in your previous class 8, that's the reason it's been excluded. 13.3.2, 13.3.3 you can skip. Chapter number 14, natural resources. In this chapter, concept number 14.2.1, 14.5, 14.2.1, okay, so it's been reduced. I think again they are mentioning as 14.2.1 here, repeating, maybe that is 14.2.10, maybe you can just see once, if it is 10 you can just go ahead, if not I'll just keep this as one doubt, you can just consult your teacher, the teachers will give you the exact related information regarding this, but anyhow 14.2.1 and 14.5 has been reduced, okay, is this clear? Good. And then chapter number 15, improvement in food resources, you want to study this chapter fully, so this is related to class 9th. Now we are coming for class 10th. First chapter, chemical reactions and equations, this entire chapter is skipped, so you no need to study this chapter for your board exam. Next chapter, acid, bases and salts. In this you can see activity 2.1, just please open the textbook, mark it out childrens, you just open chapter number 2, activity 2.1, you see, just you put one cross mark over there, small cross mark, means you are not going to study. 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, and from the same activities you will have sub topics like 2.1.1, 2.1.2, 2.1.3, 2.1.4, understood children? So you can skip this subtopics and activities, these activities and these subtopics you can skip, it means you are not going to get any questions related to these activities and these subtopics for your final exam, okay. Next, chapter number 3, metals and non-metals. In this chapter, concept number 3.1, 3.1.1, 3.3.1, 3.2.2, 3.2.4, 3.3, 3.3.1, okay, you can skip these concepts. Next, children, what I am suggesting, please concentrate only on that area, no need to get confused by reading the rest of the things, okay. Anyways, chapter number 4, carbon and its compounds. In this 4.1, in this chapter you can see 4.1, concept number 4.1, we already studied this in our previous class, so it has been reduced, 4.1, that's it, okay. And next, coming back to chapter number 5, periodic classification of elements. In this chapter you can see concept number 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4, 5.5, so these all activities is been reduced, Activity number 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4 and 5.5. These all activities is been reduced, and concept is already have studied these concepts. Okay, anyway, just you concentrate only on this area. 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4 and 5.5. These activities you can leave, and rest of the contents you can study. Next, chapter number 6, life process. In this, concept number 6.1, 6.2 and 6.3 you can reduce. Okay, you can skip. Next, chapter number 7, control and coordination. This chapter fully you want to study. Next, how do organisms reproduce? In this, concept number 8.1 and 8.2 you can skip. Next, chapter number 9, heredity and evolution. You want to study this chapter fully. Next, chapter number 10, light reflection and refraction. In this, activities 10.1 to 10.5 you can skip. From activities 10.1 to 10.5, that is 10.1, 10.2, 10.3, 10.4, 10.5. Okay, because this is already completed chapter to be completed by getting done activities. So 10.6 to 10.9 it is be given as home assignment. So actually they are taking this chapter for completing activities. So activities 10.1 and 10.5, okay, chapter to be completed by getting done activities. So your teachers will give activities based on this, and you can study some information, children. Okay, and 10.6 to 10.9 they are giving as home assignments. Home assignment means it's only for the homework purpose, not for exam purpose. Next, chapter number 11, the human eye and a colorful world. In this, dispersion of white light by a glass prism. This topic you can skip. Dispersion of white light by a glass prism, this topic you can skip because already this topic has been covered. Understood? So this light chapter, children, they are actually 10.1 to 10.5. They are telling us to complete the activities done, means this completed by getting done activities. So most probably you will be getting the questions from this area. But 10.6 to 10.9 what they have given, that is home assignment. Home assignment is nothing but from this area you won't get any questions for the exam from this area. Whichever the areas they have given as home assignment, from this area you won't get any questions. But 10.1 to 10.5 most probably you can expect the questions. Okay, fine. And next, chapter number 12, electricity. From this chapter electricity, activities 12.2 and 12.4 and some numerical problems on the same concepts can be skipped. Related to 12.2 and 12.4 some problems are there, even that is been skipped. Next, chapter number 13, magnetic effect of electric current. Activities 13.1 to 13.5 is given for the home assignment. Home assignment means it is only for homework purpose. They won't ask you the questions from this area. And even you can see concept number 13.7 is been skipped. 13.7 is skipped. So children, they have given as home assignment. Once again you can just consult your teacher. Okay, once because one more memo we will be getting from the department. So there they will ensure us the topics which is given for the home assignment. Okay, from that area the questions will be asked or not. Anyhow, we the teachers will let you know at that time. But skip means they won't ask you the questions, but the topic which they have given as home assignment, we need to see whether the questions will be asked from that area or not. Okay, that we just keep it on hold. But anyhow, we can just wherever you get home assignment, just you can write as HW. You write 13.1 above 13.1 HW, 13.2 HW. Okay, it's nothing but homework. Next, chapter number 14, sources of energy. Activities 14.1 to 14.5. This is given for the home assignment. Means department is suggesting us to give for the project assignment purpose. But still let me ensure, okay, later on we'll let you know the part which is given as the home assignment, from that area the questions will be asked for the final exam or not, we'll let you know. Okay, anyways, concept number 14.4 and 14.5 you can skip because already it's been covered. in our previous class. Chapter number 15, our environment, this complete chapter is skipped. Entire chapter is skipped, you no need to study. Chapter number 16, sustainable management of natural resources. Okay, you want to study this chapter in detail completely. So anyways children, just we have only one doubt here. The activities which is given as home assignment. From this, questions will be asked for the exams. Questions will be asked for the exams or not. Your teachers will suggest you once if your school gets starts. Okay, and the rest of the topics, whatever it's been given, it is skipped. It means they won't ask you the questions for the exam. This is only home assignment, because I don't want to give you any wrong information here. That is the reason I'm just suggesting you. The topics wherever you see as home assignment, the teachers will choose those topics to give you for the project work or for the purpose of activities to be done at home. But questions will be asked from that area or not, your teachers will suggest. But right now you can just wherever you get home assignment, just you can put HW. For all the standard students I'm suggesting this. Okay, and do not forget to comment below how was this session, how was this video, and please subscribe our YouTube channel, that is Evershine Coaching Groups. This is our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. You will be getting still more latest updates regarding your exam preparation and education related videos. And also we are teaching you some basics from class 6 to 12th, and some chapters also will be covered from class 6, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th. We are even completing some topics, and if you are finding any doubts related to your studies, so please in the below comment box you can comment to us. We'll get revert you back the information, and for the queries we will reply you. Is this clear? Do not forget to subscribe our channel, like, comment and share this video for your other friends. Let they also get an opportunity to understand what are the topics has been skipped. Is this clear? Thank you very much. Wish you all the best of luck. Do well.